join us with our 1,000 peso Binondo Food Trip Challenge. There's a lot of food variety you can choose from, but expect for a long queue. Half dozen will join you for today's food trip.
Hi! So we're on our way to Binondo for 1K food challenge. See if kaya ng katakawan namin yung 1K sa Binondo.
First up is Dongbei Dumplings. Make sure to go to Binondo early in the morning or at least before lunch para marami kayong makain. Few things to consider are walang mauupuan, so wala kayong pwesto para kainan, and also mainit, it's super humid. So kung hindi ka naman maarte, you can still probably enjoy your food. Next up is Wonky Veggie Select. They're actually not hard to find. They are situated at the corner along Ongpin Street. Katabi din nila yung sugarcane juice, so might as well get some. And while you were still there, you might as well get their famous fried dumpling. Next thing we got is the original Shanghai fried siopaw. We also line up for bicho. You should also try ang bitin. Pasalubong na lang yung Lord's Toe, but you must try their egg tart. After namin bilhin lahat ng mga gusto namin kainin, we went back to Lucky Chinatown para kainin lahat ng in-order namin. And i-rate lahat ng pagkain.
10 over 10.
10 over 10. Sobrang kanina.
Ano to?
Fried siopaw.
Fried choco. 10 over 10.
Fried siopaw.
Fried choco.
10. 10 over 10. Ano to? Hindi ko alam.
Ito, maling...
Wait lang, titikman ko muna ulit. Makalimutan ko. Ano mo nagulog ko yung nakuha ko? 8.
May galit sa'yo.
7 over 10. Ito maling variant yung nakuha namin. Hindi matamis. So, pero masarap pa din. 7 lang.
8 over 10 yung beach.
Wait lang. Ay,
Dito.
Ajuma.
5 over 10. Tama kayo. 7.
5 out of 10.
Ako. 10 over 10. Hindi kasi ako mag-isang makain.
Oo, hindi kasi ako makain. So, 5 over 10 lang.
7 over 10.
Kumakain pa kami. 6. 6. Ang may Oh my God. 9.
Ako 10. 10 over 10. Sugar cane. 3 over 10. 6 over 10. Kulang sa tamis.
7. Gusto ko yung lasa. 5. Hindi ko. Parang water lang.
Then na si Madam. 5 din. 5 out of 10. Nang may
Here is the summary of everything we ate for this challenge. And of course, nakalimutan na naman namin mag-outro. That's it for our Binondo food trip. See you again next time. Thank you and goodbye.